Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Dipshika. I got quite a few things. Apparently they all came back, apparently they all came to me yesterday, like all of them together, one after another. So I thought maybe I can do a video, right? Because the Nykaa sale was also, I think today is the last date, I'm not sure when I'm going to post it anyway, so the sale would be over. But I thought I just, I anyways had to put something up on YouTube because I wanted to. So I thought maybe now we can do a video. I got a few health related products, I got a few skincare, hair care products, and also makeup. So first things first, I wanted to buy, I never had like red lipstick, so मुझे मन था that I buy red lipstick. Actually I'm not into like bright lipsticks, but I just thought maybe I should give it a try. प्लस मुझे पेटीएम में एक कूपन मिला था, माई ग्लैम का मिलता ही रहता है, तो उसमें यू कैन गेट 3 मैट लिपस्टिक्स एट 1 रुपी, विच इज़ नॉट ट्रू. यू हैव टू पे द शिपिंग चार्जेस विच इज़ लाइक 199 रुपीज़. तो मैंने 3 लिपस्टिक लिए और उसमें लिप लाइनर मिल रहा था 250 का. तो 250 रुपीज़ का अगर आप लाइनर लेते हो तो यू डोंट हैव टू पे द शिपिंग चार्ज. सो आई थॉट आई एम पेइंग लाइक 200 रुपीज़ एनी वे, सो आई नॉट पे 50 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा एंड गेट अ लिप लाइनर अलॉन्ग विद दैट, राइट? गर्ल मैथ. तो मैंने वो ख़रीदा एंड these are the products. So starting off with lipsticks, these are the lipsticks that I got. I got 3 lipsticks which almost look like the same, which almost look like the same shade to me, similar actually. One is, first I'll show you like that. I don't know why did I not remove the cardboard, maybe just to show you that it's new. I discarded quite a few card boxes today morning, but I thought of keeping these. So these are the 3 lipsticks. My idea behind purchasing them were, pardon my nails are very like all over the place, sorry for that. So yeah, one is in the shade brown, one I wanted to keep towards the pink, and one red. I did try these two, but I'm anyways going to show it to you how they look like and then remove them later. This was supposed to be a brown shade, but it's like more towards the brick red, right? This is how it looks like. I like the shade. This is more like my kind of shade. I think brown complements my skin. I don't know about the rest. By the way, this is the shade Okay Boomer. Okay. Do you like it? Please let me know. And this is my first time swatching, so it might not be perfect, I'm sorry. I'm using micellar water after so long. I guess this is expired, I'm not sure. This is the pinkish shade, I guess. It's called CU46. The applicator is quite delicate. I mean, it moves. It's very soft. Do you see the color payoff? Like, it's really good. I'm not very comfortable wearing such bright colors, I mean, maybe I'm scared of attention or something. So for office, I'm not very comfortable wearing this, but I'll try. Actually, what happens when you're used to not wearing such colors now, suddenly the pop of color, you become like quite conscious in the office. I feel like everyone would be looking at me, everyone would be judging me. But I think you guys like that. So maybe silly, but I'll try. I did wear this lipstick today, but I just like lightened it a little bit. This is how it looks, and this is how it looks on my skin. Again, we're going to remove. Next shade is Dogging. I don't know why is it called that. See, this shade is also like almost the same. I did a mistake buying like 2 similar shades. This is this is the like warm tone, cool toned lipstick, red lipstick, and the middle one, the previous one that I applied was a warm toned red lipstick, and this though is brown or like brick sort of color. I think it does look, both of them looks good on me, but like, yeah, as I said, these are 2 like right for me. But anyways, तो ये 3 लिपस्टिक मुझे मिले 199 में. तो if you order something else, you don't have to pay for the shipping price. तो मैंने एक लिप लाइनर ऑर्डर कर दिया which is of a brown shade. तो ये भी मैंने अप्लाई किया था. It's quite good. I'll not apply here. I'll apply it here so you can see. This is the color. I mean it's a very nude sort of a color. You can just, I wanted something जो खुद से apply करो and on top of it you can just apply a lip gloss. So it looks quite natural. That is what I wanted. So yes, these are the 4 things that I got and I love them. I was very excited to try these because I had the same old boring lipstick, mostly like इसी color, similar color. I wear a lot of brown lipsticks. तो मेरे पास वही थे. I wanted to try, experiment something new. तो मुझे pink भी try करना था but unfortunately pink था नहीं. This is like a little bit like that, like क्या बोलते हैं, डार्क पिंक सॉर्ट ऑफ वाइब. एनीवेज उसके बाद दीज आर द फ्यू थिंग्स आई गॉट फ्रॉम माइग्ला. तो ये इजीली आपको कूपन मिल ही जाते हैं पेटीएम ये सब से अगर आप पेमेंट करो तो ऑल दीज 4 थिंग्स कॉस्टेड मी 250 रुपीज़. ओके, एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द लिपस्टिक, आई वोर इट टू ऑफिस टुडे एंड आई ate my food and everything and it was like it lasted me quite a long time. I won't say it's very comfortable on the lips. I mean, since it's very matte, you know that there's something on your lips and you are supposed to apply lip balm before applying this lipstick. Actually, you need to apply lip balm before any lipstick mostly, but for this though you need. It is not transfer proof. Sorry, it is transfer proof, but कभी कभी ना लग जाता है, पता नहीं कैसे. So yeah, it will last you the entire day I would say, but कहीं कहीं से मतलब कम ज़्यादा हो सकता है. So even if it gets removed, the tint will stay. तो मुझे रीअप्लाई नहीं करना पड़ा, but I will show you a lip gloss that I got. तो जब मेरा थोड़ा मतलब साइड से चला गया था, बीच में ये सिर्फ था, and that happened like a good 6 hours later. तो मैंने तभी वो लिप ग्लॉस लगा लिया था which was of a similar shade. तो moving on. Yeah, so you can purchase like for 250, so I think it's a great deal. You can get these lipsticks that will last you like the entire office throughout. तो आप सुबह अप्लाई करके जाते हो, तो I needed something like that. I needed a long like staying lipstick because ऑफिस में जाओ ना तो बार बार रीअप्लाई करने का टाइम नहीं रहता, याद भी नहीं रहता. तो दिस इज़ अ गुड थिंग. नेक्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विद नायका. तो नायका से मैंने फर्स्टली आई वांटेड हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स बिकॉज बाय द वे दिस इज व्हाट आई वॉश माय हेयर विद टुडे. आई वाज ट्राइंग टू like buy products for curly hair. It's not the best curls that I've had, but I tried. मतलब थोड़ा मैं जल्दबाजी में भी थी तो उतने अच्छे से हुआ नहीं. I'm going to try again and again. And if you have any tips for curly hair girls, like please do tell me. I for the longest time wasn't aware that I had curly hair, and after watching a few videos I realized that I do have curly hair. I mean curly wavy, whatever you call it. So आज के curls थोड़े अजीब से हो गए because I was in a hurry. But yeah, so I got these Dove beautiful curls for smooth, bouncy, shiny curls product. So this is a set of 4 that comes. So you get a shampoo, a conditioner, this hair gel and this hair mask along with this. तो hair mask मैंने आज try नहीं किया है. I will let you know later. Maybe by the time I post this video I would have tried it, so I will add it in the comment section or in the description. And yeah, the rest of the products I tried. It is quite hydrating I would say, but I will not judge it at the first time itself. ये पूरा I think was around 1200 rupees, which was on Nykaa sale में था तो कम में ही मिल गया मुझे, मतलब इससे ज़्यादा ही महंगा होगा शायद ये. तो हाँ, ये this alone is like 649 rupees. This is of 560 rupees. तो मतलब you can say that these 2 products I got for free almost, right? And this is for 600 rupees and this is 449. So मैंने काफ़ी बचत कर ली है I guess. But I don't know how good these are. But so far it's good. But मेरे तो ऐसे कर्ल्स तो मेरे ऐसे भी आ जाते हैं, like नॉर्मल किसी भी नॉर्मल शैम्पू से धो तो भी आ जाते हैं. तो I don't think the gel did a very good job in keeping those curls. I mean एक तो मैं थोड़े जल्दबाजी में भी थी, तो by the time I applied the gel my curls had already died down because मैंने पहले अच्छे से वो नहीं किया था. तो I'll give this another try and then I'll let you know. I'll maybe post a shorts YouTube shorts video and I'll tell you how these go. And I'll also apply the hair mask. I have heard very good reviews about this. So actually I wanted to buy this, but then I realized I also need a shampoo. तो मुझे पूरा सेट मिल रहा था तो मैंने वो ले लिया. उसके बाद yeah, this I have used it. I have loved it. This is like a very good purchase. This is the Chemist at Play Odor Control Underarm Roll-On with 5% AHA. So before that I need a roll-on, like an odor control roll-on, because I don't know how, like my armpits start smelling like weird while I sweat. So I feel very conscious, and so a odor control roll on is a must for me. तो मैंने इससे पहले I tried the Rexona roll-on, which is also very good. The Dove roll-on was also very, no, not Dove, sorry, Nivea roll-on was also very good. But I noticed that I was getting underarm darkness, and this really helped. Agar you want odor control for a longer period of time, you can go for the Nivea one, because it really lasts you for good 48 hours. I mean, the second day if you don't apply it, you're good to go, you will not smell bad. This, however, does last only for a day, which is okay. If you keep it in your shower, like every time you shower, you just go to apply it, it will last you for the entire day. You do not need any reapplication. The initial one, I got it on the Aqua fragrance, but which was like, but this one is of no fragrance. I anyways apply perfume, plus ye 100 rupees sasta par raha tha, so I got this one. So I saved 100 rupees. I thought, I'll anyways use a perfume on top of it, like why just waste your money, 100 rupees save kar sakte hain. So I got this one. This is really good. It helped me with underarm darkness as well. You can give it a try. Then this is my OG moisturizer, the Pond's Super Light Non-Sticky Fresh Feel Hydrated Glow Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin E Moisturizer. I have used this since I was in college, and for some reason, I don't know why, since I have since I have a lot of comedones on my skin, so I thought of switching up my like moisturizer. My skin is really oily during summers. Winters में this does not work. मतलब ये थोड़ा मतलब कम पड़ जाता है, क्योंकि I need more moisturization going on. So I tried the Cetaphil moisturizer, which is very great. It just like, कैसे बोलो, मेरे एक्ने प्रॉब्लम्स एंड टेक्सचर बहुत कम हो गए थे ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स. हाउएवर दैट इज़ लाइक क्वाइट हैवी, एंड सिंस आई हैव ऑयली स्किन इट डज नॉट सूट मी ऑन समर्स. तो आई थॉट ऑफ लाइक कौन सा मॉइस्चराइजर लो दैट इज लाइक फॉर सुटेबल फॉर सेंसिटिव स्किन, दैट डज नॉट ब्रेक यू आउट. आई ट्राइड द Dr. Sheth some moisturizer, kojic acid kesar moisturizer, but maybe I was just purging, but I think it was for, it was not sensitive skin friendly. So I thought I would go back to this. I just love the texture, the smell. I mean, it's just so good. You just want to keep on reapplying it like more and more. It's that beautiful and aesthetic. So I got back to this. The only problem I have with this is because it's tough. So you have to use your fingers all the time for applying, which is not very great, right? Maybe that is why I do get like sort of breakouts. So one hack that I discovered was I also have a travel friendly pack which is empty now. So maybe I'll transfer there and then use it so that the finger thing can be reduced, you know. तब मैं apply करूँगी वो कितने दिन ही चलेगा, hardly like 15 days it will last me. So then again I'll keep on refilling, but I'll avoid using fingers as much as I can from the top. Next, I was also looking for a toner. I wanted to switch my toner. I have tried कौन सा ट्राई किया था मैंने सबसे पहले तो आई स्टार्टेड विद द बायोटीक का कुछ तो क्यूकम्बर टोनर. आई थिंक इट्स क्वाइट ड्राइंग एंड इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ अल्कोहल इन इट, आई गेस, एंड आई read reviews about it that's not good for your skin. Then I switched to Plum ka green tea toner, which was very great. I used it for a long time, but then I realized it has a lot of fragrance, so I did not want to use it. I used rose water, then I felt it's not enough for my skin. Rose water is also good. I like switching things up maybe. Then I tried Pilgrim ka which the green tea toner, and that suited my skin during winters, but summers I realized it has a lot of fragrance, plus it would burn these areas of my skin, so that's when I thought maybe I should stop using it. Now I switched to this Dot & Key Cica Calming Skin Clarifying Toner with green tea and niacinamide. So I heard that Cica is really calming on your skin, so I wanted to try this one because I have sensitive skin. तो मैं रात को अगर salicylic acid लगाती हूँ तो maybe because of that, or I don't know, but these things burn. So and plus it's summers, you will anyways get tan and your skin will be irritated, so I thought maybe this one would help. इसके साथ मुझे फ्री मिला ये Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash which has salicylic acid and green tea. I'm going to keep this in my like makeup pouch to carry for work. Maybe sometimes I might feel the need to wash my face there since it's very travel friendly, or I like whenever I travel I carry this one. Yeah, and so far this is good. This also has fragrance in it, but it's very mild, and yeah, it's overall a very mild toner. I won't comment on how effective that is because I just tried it out last night, so I'll not comment on that. Maybe I'll come back to this video and put down my reviews after like using it for a month. Maybe after finishing the bottle I can give you a review. Then I got 2 perfumes. So this one is actually for gifting. I wanted to gift my flat. I got a few other things to gift my flatmate. It's her birthday this weekend. I hope she's not hearing. So yeah, and I wanted to buy one perfume for me as well. तो Rene का भी सेल था नाइका में, so when you get when there was like buy one get one offer, तो ये दो मुझे पड़े 600 में. These two perfumes, one is the blue one and the dark desire one, were for 599 and मतलब combined. And I got this like tester or what to say, like this travel friendly perfume free, and also a lip gloss which I actually can't find. The Rene lip gloss. Wait, I'll have it somewhere. Yes. And I also have this lip gloss. I got this lip gloss for free. This is the lip gloss I was talking about. Like it's also red in color. I don't know why so much red going on in my life. Earlier I was scared of red colors, and now I have like way too many red outfits and now red lipsticks as well. I'll just apply it like this. I don't know, I'm very scared of using these kind of things. I hope it does not look tacky. I think some people would like it on top of their lipstick like this, but I don't enjoy. I think if you use it just like this, it will look great. It is a little hydrating, but not hydrating. Sorry, not a little moisturizing, but not that much. It does not. It stays for like an hour, I guess, an hour or two. But what I did was when I applied the lipstick. Like I said, it got removed a little bit, right? तो मैंने उसको हटा के इसके ऊपर ये लगा दिया था, तो the color was like really beautiful. Plus, I think if you just apply this, it will look beautiful. I got it for free with these perfumes. I mean, like how good that is. For 600 rupees, I got 2 perfumes, 3 perfumes. Sorry, like oh, what do I say, 2.5 perfumes and this lip gloss as well. And it was a really good day. So I'm going to keep this one for me and this one for her. I was so excited to try this one. तो मैंने इसको ऐसे खोला and this is what happened. I love this perfume, like really love this perfume. Like बहुत अच्छा fresh fruity and floral सा smell है इसका. So but this I don't know what I'll do. I ordered like one कुछ perfume refillable कुछ होता है ना. I ordered that. It was supposed to come to me tomorrow. I hope I can transfer this to some other like container and then use it. This one is like it's mostly floral. It has like notes of jasmine to it. I guess I could smell jasmine from here. This is also like a really good perfume. Now what I have ordered from Amazon. So hell guys, it's like very hot in Delhi right now. It's like almost 42 degrees up to. I know it's going to get hotter. So I ordered this Gond Katira. This is something my sister-in-law recommended. My bhabhi that is. So you're supposed to soak these overnight and then add it to your milk or drink and then drink it up. This is going to keep your body cool, like your stomach cool. Plus it also has a little bit of other health benefits which I can't remember. Though I'm mostly using it for summers to keep your body cool. Plus I'm really like very excited to try dry fruits. I'm very into dry fruits these days. Like that is like what I have for breakfast. So I thought anything to add up to it is great. So I got this one maybe I can drink it after lunch. So I go for a walk after lunch. That time बहुत गर्मी होती है, तो maybe आने के बाद I can drink this up. And it also has iron, by the way. I do have like very less iron in my body, so उसके लिए this is going to be a great supplement. Then I ordered chia seeds. I've been having chia seeds since a long time, I guess, like after I came to Delhi. तो मैं इसको overnight oats के साथ लेती हूँ. तो overnight oats is such a great recipe. I have it like almost every morning when I'm at office. So weekends पे I skip. Weekends पे I want something like चटपटा. But at office I always use chia seeds and oats. Like overnight oats में मैं ये 1 tablespoon तो I always add. Chia seeds is also like a very good source of omega-3. Omega-3 के लिए mostly मैं ये लेती हूँ because women need omega-3. And I being Bengali, I used to have fish like almost every day मेरे घर में बनता था. But ever since I've come to Delhi, यहाँ पे बंद हो गया मेरा fish खाना. तो hoping that this would make up for it. Yeah, this is all. Yeah, by the way, this is a dress that I got from Flipkart. Flipkart में भी sale था, तो मुझे ये almost I think 215 rupees में मिला. And that's so comfortable. A little baggy though. This is like a maternity wear, I guess. But I didn't realize that it's a maternity wear. But after मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगा था, थोड़ा loose ना summers के लिए अच्छा. You just get it and then you wear it and then you can go for like grocery shopping or something. तो मैंने इसीलिए लिया. I got a kurta for my mom, which I can't show you because that's in Guwahati. तो वो दिए में for like 200-250 rupees में मिल रहा था. जिसका तो quality मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Like it's very comfortable. It's very summer appropriate. It is a little thick, but it has like pores or something. Like it's breathable. So that is what I liked. This is all that I got for me. And next month मेरा birthday है, तो मैंने सोचा थोड़ा थोड़ा खरीद के खुद को भी गिफ्ट देती रहती हूँ. But these were things that I needed mostly. मेरा skin care was running out. My hair care was like out of stock for a long time. I was just very broke last month, so I did not buy it. मेरे पास एक anti dandruff shampoo था, that is what I was using. तो मैंने अपनी मम्मी के लिए L'Oreal का hyaluronic acid वाला जो range है ना, hair care range, I ordered that for my mom. So I thought maybe she has like very dry hair since she colors her hair like almost like twice a month I guess. So her hair is like very dry and frizzy. So I wanted something moisturizing for her, which is why I ordered the hyaluronic acid range. And I thought anyways I'm going home, so maybe I can also try it for myself since I also have to buy a new shampoo. तो मैंने वहाँ पे जाके try किया. It was also very good. I was going to buy that one. मैंने उसका ऑर्डर भी प्लेस कर दिया था, but then I wanted to try this hair mask. तो तभी मैंने देखा कि इसका सेट था and like I should embrace my curls and everything. तो मैंने ये रेंज ऑर्डर कर दिया, वो वाला कैंसिल करके. But the hyaluronic range is also good. It smells like very good. This one has a very less smell to it. It also smells good. But what I like about this is this looks like luxury, you know. Like all 4 products are so color coordinated. When I keep it in my washroom, it looks just so beautiful. Even if I'm going to replace the shampoos, I think I'm going to refill them here because they look just so good on your washroom. The color and everything is just really nice. And yeah, that is all about it. I feel so much happier after getting these. Like the child in me was so excited when I was at work and receiving these parcels at home. So I thought when I'll go home and I'll get to try these products, and I just opened them and I was so excited. Mostly I was excited to try the lipsticks because I always love like new makeup, even though I don't wear makeup that much, but I love buying them. And yeah, these were like really great purchases. I was just not happy with this one. Let's see what to do with this, but I'm going to make like some way out, figure something out. And overall all these products were great. Some of the products that I won't be able to give a comment on right now, like this one, I'll let you know later. Okay, thank you for watching so far with me. I love you so much. It means the world to me that you're sticking on to me. I hope you trust me when I say my reviews about these products. I'll see you soon. Okay, I had made a video where I tried stick-on nails. I'll upload them now and then I'll see you again. Okay, bye.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away.